Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, August 7, 2023. Today's video is about Texas Raiders. Texas Raiders was an American Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress built by Douglas Long Beach. In 1967, it was purchased by a group of the Commemorative Air Force's Gulf Coast Wing, which maintained and flew the aircraft out of Conroe-North Houston Regional Airport in Conroe, Texas. It was destroyed on November 12, 2022, in a mid-air collision with a Bell P-63 Kingcobra at an air show at Dallas Executive Airport. All 5 people on board Texas Raiders and the pilot of the P-63 were killed. This photograph, taken in 2019 at Ellington Airport in Houston, shows Texas Raiders reenacting a scene from the film Tora. Tora? Tora? During a simulated attack by members of the Commemorative Air Force's Pearl Harbor reenactment group. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.